Good morning. Today's day 16, and sometimes our bodies doesn't respond how we think they should. Sometimes you'll have a really, really good day, and you made all those hard choices. You had really good self-discipline, and still your body didn't do what you thought it was going to do, which is go down in pounds, which is what's happening to me this morning. But I know that throughout my process, this has happened a number of times, and it's really easy to get discouraged and just to say that, it's not working anyway. I denied myself. I used self-discipline, and I'm not losing weight, so I'm just gonna indulge, and I'm just gonna eat what I want to eat, and because it just doesn't matter. The weight's not coming off. It is coming off. The fat is coming off. You will get to where you're going. It just takes a little while. The body isn't like a light where it has a switch and it just goes on and off. It kind of has its own timing system, and it responds how it wants to respond. So we're gonna keep on keeping on, and we're gonna do what we know to do. We're gonna do what works, which is taking our supplements. So we have our morning before breakfast, which is what I'm gonna take this morning. I'm gonna take my Thermoplus, which is gonna boost my metabolism, and that's gonna be helpful. The Catalyst, which is gonna protect my muscle, shave the fat, and the Crave Check, which is gonna help with those cravings and help me battle the desires to go have a Chick-fil-A sandwich. All right. Because they're free in the volunteer lounge. It's not okay. It's not okay. Because it's free doesn't mean that it's free of fat. So, and that is good for me. I didn't have it, by the way. I'm just saying I wanted it. But, all right. So I get my morning spark today. I'm so excited. And I'm not addicted, people. So somebody asked me, are you addicted to Spark yesterday? And people get really, really excited about their Spark, and I do too. But could I go without? Sure. Could I go back to drinking coffee every day? Sure. I don't like how I looked when I was drinking coffee every day, or how I felt when I was drinking coffee every day, because a few hours later I needed a lot more coffee. And it did not give me the vitamins and the nutrients that I needed to have energy for a sustained period of time. Spark is jam-packed with vitamins and all kinds of good stuff. So am I addicted? No. But do I choose to do it because it's really good for me? Yes. Does it taste good? Yeah. Do I like drinking it? Yes. Would I be disappointed if I missed one of my Spark drinks? Yes. So just to give you a few answers on those questions, kind of came up yesterday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day 15, and do your best. Keep making those great choices, and the results are going to come. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.